Hey everybody, welcome back. I am just going to make a travel palette out of this eyeshadow compact. These little, I just cleaned out the eyeshadow out of this metal tins, and I am going to fill it with a custom palette of ANTHRAQUINONE blue, QUINACRIDONE rose, burnt sienna, and nickel quinacridone or quinacridone gold. So here we go. I'm going to start off with the gold at the top, and I'm not going to put a ton in here. I'm just going to start off with a small amount. That way if I use it up, I can change the paint and the color, and I'll have I can make a wash in here, leave enough room to make a wash, because you know I can mix on that mirror, and I might try to find some white enamel paint or stick a piece of Yupo paper up there, and it doesn't go all the way flat either, so you know it's not the ideal, but you know, and I'm not gonna, I wanted to use these Graham paints because I don't have a travel palette, and this is small enough for me to stick in my purse. And burnt sienna so I can make some black. But I can always just hold it flat and mix a little bit if I want a specific color. But it would run back. But you know, that's a quick little travel palette, and I'm gonna, you know, closes right up, can fit right in your purse. I'm gonna leave it open so it can dry for a couple days. But you know, hey, if you like this kind of video, and I know that there's a lot of travel palettes out there, DIY travel palettes, but you know, hey, this is my own take. This is what I found around the house, and you can even pick these up at Walgreens or Walmart for $1 or $2. So, you know, experiment. Thanks. Give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Bye.